Good morning, students of class 11th. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari welcoming you to e-learning platform of our school. Students, yesterday I made you aware of the syllabus of class 11, including reading section, writing and grammar section, and literature section, which is basically covered by two books that I stated. Students, the first question that comes is from passage reading that you have been coming on doing in class 9 and 10. So there has been no change at all. The same process, the same way is there. So do one practice of your comprehension and try to answer which of the question which is given at the bottom. The most important thing, the newly added grammatical tool that is very important and that carries 12 marks out of 20 is note making and summarizing. Students, I have decided you to start this topic. In the beginning we shall have introduction about it and thereafter other steps will be taken. Students, note making is completely a new tool added to your syllabus and it carries maximum marks out of section A. It is a skill necessary to develop in order to be able to gather relevant information from the text and write it down in a well organized manner. Students, there will be a long passage given as it is being given usual, and you have to collect some important relevant information from the text and you have to write it in well organized manner. Various points of vital information that lie scattered have to be consolidated by shifting the relevant information from the irrelevant and repetitive information. Students, the points that you select, that you find must be relevant, must be related closely to the passage given. You are not allowed, you are not authorized to write any point, any sub point taken from anywhere else. So you have to be very serious, very precaution you have to take while you are making points, taking out points from the given passage. That way the task of the note maker assumes great significance as he has to read the text carefully and thoroughly in order to extract the meaningful points. The students, what you have to do is very important. You have to go through the passage very carefully and you have to go through it twice, thrice unless until you understand it thoroughly. Unless you understand it thoroughly, you are not in position to extract the meaningful points. So understanding the passage is very important and it is foundation for note making and summarizing. The students, understand it nicely, don't make any kind of delay, any kind of confusion. It should not be there in your mind. We need to make notes since we cannot commit to memory all the details of a speech or a long reading text. The passage that is generally given to you is long, and if you are not in position to point out all the important points taken from the paragraph wise, so you cannot become able to judge yourself and to make a pure and very bona fide note making. These notes can be recalled later whenever needed. Once you make a point, it will be recalled by you, by anybody, without making any delay, and it will help both the examiner and the examining to be used to develop them into a report or an article. They also enable us to make a very just bona fide summary. Students, in the last of this question I will make you aware how to summarize the passage all these points that you make will help you in summarizing the passage in very bona fide way, and you will be in position to get good marks. So note making as well as summarizing is a very useful exercise. It must be learned with patience and practice. Two things are very important. Practice will make you perfect, and you will have to keep patience, because long passage is given, and while you are pointing out and while you are taking points from all the paragraphs from beginning to end, if you don't have patience, you cannot become a good note maker. So students, this note making is a way to define our ability how to take important points from the given passage. Students, this is not enough. Note making has a clear cut format, and points, sub points, titles are there, which I will make you aware in the next video. So go through the introduction of this note making and be ready for format of the note making in next video. Thank you.